Hey guys, I just want to talk about what I think is the best boring bar. I got this one first. It came in a set of turning tools when I first got my machine, and this one I have nothing but problems with it. The problem is on the mini lathe, there's a lot of, the carriage is not stiff, there's a lot of flex in it, and there's a lot of flex in the tool post. And right here on this bar, there's a lot of flex in the neck, because it's so small, and I found it to be a problem. So what I tried was, I took a high-speed tool, cut off the head there, and I had a set of these carbide tools with the tcmt, or what is it, tcmt inserts. So I cut the neck off there, or the head, and TIG welded it. It's not pretty, but it worked. Hasn't broken off so far. And this is probably my favorite tool. It's a lot stiffer here, no real flex except in the carriage and the tool post. And I love these three-sided inserts. Yeah, so I thought this worked a lot better than that. And I ended up buying a real boring bar from eBay with the tcmt insert, and this one has a lubrication hole, or coolant, and you can tell the neck is a lot, it's not thin where it would flex side to side like this high-speed tool. So if you're gonna get a boring bar, try one of these. I know these inserts are expensive, but it's worth it because, I found that this thing, it wouldn't cut true or straight in the cylinder. So, yep, that's it.